we good?
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to put this on and install another nuke package. Actually, I don't need these. And this film is for my mom on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Hi to Dad. I have to do that. All right, here we go. If you can look in there, and what you can see are that the bees have kind of glued together some of these frames. So I'm just going to separate them a little bit instead of tearing them apart. And hopefully we'll get to see the queen. Right away. So there's capped brood and there's also capped honey up in the corner here, and a lot of nectar on there, but I do not see the queen. So that's a nice healthy frame. Put that one in first. Ooh, a lot of capped brood on here. There's a queen cup, little capped honey, and no queen. There are grubs. I'm just gonna show you at the bottom right here if you could see the grubs in there. I don't know if you can see that. Number 2. I'm guessing she's on this one. Let's hope. Boy, a lot of capped brood, so she's been really busy. It's a good queen, but I don't see her yet. All right. Wow, I'm really happy with this nuke. Queen bee, where are you?
Well,
Oh,
sure.
there she is. She's
Yep.
pink.
Yep. Nice.
Very cool. Oh, she's a beauty. All right, you get to go in your new house. I'm always happy when I see them moving around and they're not injured or something.
How come there's a hole in the corner, Lisa?
This is for ventilation, and it also serves as another entrance for them. This hive was recycled. I bought some older used equipment and cleaned it up, and that's what they had in them. So this frame is all just, they're drawing out the comb. It isn't all fully drawn out, but it's started. And you can really tell because the foundation is black, so it's a little easier to see than when you have foundation that's yellow. So you can really see that. Nice work. That was really easy. So there's a few bees left. I'm gonna try to get in here. And the rest of them are gonna have to figure it out. And so that's it. I gotta put my inner cover on. And the outer cover. Does that look straight?